I've got another crowd pleaser for you guys today. This is the Ford Coyote engine. This specific engine is for the F-150s 2011 to 2012. The Mustangs did also feature the Coyote engine during those years. However, the cams on the Mustang engines are slightly different, so not directly interchangeable. F-150s obviously are among some of the most common vehicles that you see out there on the road. So as you can imagine, we get a ton of calls on these. Not to say that it's not a reliable unit. This is a very reliable unit from Ford, decent fuel economy, decent power. It's a V8 engine design, aluminum block, aluminum cylinder heads, 4 valves per cylinder. This also features the twin independent variable cam timing. So what that means is that the engine is able to control both the exhaust and the intake cams to allow for better fuel economy, lower emissions, improved power and torque, even at lower RPM. So just some great technology in this unit. Built by Ford, OEM, fully remanufactured, 0 mileage. As you can see, it's a very complete unit. Valve covers, front cover, oil pan, spark plugs are already installed. And then over here, we've got our oil filter and our oil filter adapter, as well as a set of gaskets. This is going to be covered with our warranty, which means it comes standard with a 3-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty, with the option to upgrade to a 5-year, to a 7-year, or to the powertrain pure care. That's going to be your no-fault warranty option. Now, we discussed reliability a little bit a few minutes ago. So just to recap, a very reliable, powerful, fuel-efficient engine from Ford. That's not to say that it's perfect. Nothing is perfect. So a couple of things that you might be running into farther down the line, higher up in mileage. Ford automatic transmissions sometimes are problematic, so just a heads up there. The oil pan gasket is known to leak once you get higher up there in mileage. And then the most common issue is the ticking. Now, this was a big enough issue where Ford addressed this in a public bulletin, and they essentially said, hey, this engine ticking is normal. And of course, the question everybody had was, if it is normal, why don't all of the engines do it? And we may never know. What I do know is that we've got them in stock, ready to ship. So if you need one, give us a call.